Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the licensing requirements for security guards in California, overseen by the Bureau of Security and Investigative Services, or BSIS. Let's dive into the classifications and what it takes to become a licensed security guard. Firstly, the unarmed security guard. To qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, possess a high school diploma or GED, pass a criminal background check, and complete a 40-hour BSIS-approved training course. For those aiming to be armed security guards, the requirements are slightly higher. You need to be at least 21, meet the same educational and background check standards as unarmed guards, and complete BSIS-approved training, including firearms training. Also, obtaining a firearms qualification card and, in some counties, a CCW permit is mandatory. Training for unarmed guards covers various critical areas like public relations, liability, and officer safety. Armed guards must undergo all unarmed training plus specific firearms training. Fees for applications and renewals vary, with different rates for unarmed and armed guards. And remember, California doesn't have reciprocity agreements with other states for security guard licenses. Renewing your license involves completing a renewal application, paying the required fee, and providing proof of continuing education. But be aware, licenses can be suspended or revoked for reasons such as felony convictions or unprofessional conduct. And finally, some professionals like law enforcement officers and private detectives are exempt from these requirements. For more information, you can contact the BSIS at their Sacramento office or through their provided contact details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.